Hello students. Today we begins with the last end point. In the last lecture we have studied optical activity. In the optical activity is regarding with an experimental basis. But today we will discuss optical activity and its molecule structure relation. A Dutch scientist, Van 't Hoff, and a French scientist, Liebel, collectively work on the crystal structure and their optical images. This relation is also applicable to organic molecules. This theory is put forward in 1874. According to this theory, a structure of molecule and optical activity are interrelated. That means optical images of any molecule depend on its molecular structure. For that, he also explains some points. According to theory, molecules with asymmetric center show optical activity. The molecules with asymmetric center show optical activity. That means, just like our hand, this is the right hand. Mirror image of this right hand will be seen like a left hand. It is asymmetric, not symmetric. If I take mirror image of a chair, that is a symmetric image. Chair is all symmetric. That means a chair is a symmetric in nature, where our hand is asymmetric. In similar way, molecules should contain an asymmetric center can show optical activity. We are studying organic molecules. In organic molecules, tetrahedral carbon atom, which is bonded to 4 different groups or atoms, is asymmetric or chiral carbon. He also introduced a new term, that is asymmetric carbon or chiral carbon, which is defined as tetrahedral carbon atom which is bonded to 4 different atom or group is tetrasymmetric carbon or chiral carbon. Let's see, this is the carbon which is bonded to 4 different groups or atom A, B, C and D, where A may be H, B may be Cl, C may be CH3, D may be C2H5. 4 different groups. If there are 2 similar groups, then it is non-symmetric. Right? Organic molecules with chiral carbon atom show optical activity. Organic molecules, those which contain chiral carbon, are optical active, and those molecules which do not have chiral center are optically inactive. For that, we have to study all the carbons in a molecule. Similar, see here, it is a molecule, 2-chlorobutane. In 2-chlorobutane, first carbon is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms, which are similar. That means first carbon is not asymmetric carbon. 3 atoms are same. For a second carbon, first valence is balanced by CH group, second chlorine, third hydrogen, fourth C2H5, that is C2 is through CH3. That means second carbon is asymmetric. Third case, carbon is bonded to 2 hydrogen atoms which are similar atoms, that means it is not asymmetric carbon. Final CH3 is also bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms, that means it is not a symmetric carbon, asymmetric carbon. For asymmetric carbon, we have to see all the 4 covalent bonds and its groups of carbon atom. Chiral center indicated by asterisk mark, which is shown like similar, asterisk mark. In a whole molecule, those carbon which are asymmetric are indicated by asterisk mark. Number of asterisk mark indicate number of chiral centers. Number of possible isomers are calculated by formula. In a molecule, from the number of chiral centers, we can calculate number of possible isomers. If formula is 2 raised to n, 2 raised to n means n is the number of asymmetric centers. That means here n is the power. If n is 2, then the molecule will produce 4 isomers. In March 2020, March 2020, a question is asked that number of possible isomers of glucose. Number of possible isomers of glucose are 16. In glucose, there are 4 chiral centers. That means 2 raised to power 4, which is 16. It's a simple question, but we are not going to calculate asymmetric center. If we calculate asymmetric center in glucose, then we will get there are 4 asymmetric centers. The structure of glucose we can study in the topic of biomolecules in this year also. Let's see what kind of questions are asked on this basis. About 3 marks of question is asked on this basis. Explain optical activity with suitable example for 3 marks. First point is the definition of optical activity, will get 1 mark. Property of a compound to rotate plane polarized light towards right side or left side is called as optical activity, will get 1 mark. Then another point is example. Here we take 2-chlorobutane. We can take another example also, which have asymmetric center. In 2-chlorobutane, we draw a structure of 2-chlorobutane which shows chiral center with asterisk mark. This will get half mark. Structure of molecule get half mark. Number of possible isomer calculated by formula gives the answer 2 isomers. That is, the molecule contains 1 chiral center, 2 raised to 1 is nothing but 2 isomers. This will get half mark. Up to this point we will get 2 marks. Then we draw 2 isomeric structure, that is mirror images of each other. This structure is drawn below and its mirror image is drawn in front of it. This will get 1 mark. Isomer 1 and isomer 2. Below this we should write isomer 1 and isomer 2 are the mirror images of each other and show optical activity dextrorotatory and levorotatory. This will get 1 mark. Totally, this question is asked for 3 marks. This is called molecular structure and optical activity relation. Next point of today is enantiomers. The enantiomers are the stereoisomers of the same molecule which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. Stereoisomers which are optically active can rotate the plane polarized light with same angle but in opposite direction. That is, one of the isomer is dextrorotatory and one of the isomer is levorotatory. They rotate the plane of PPL by same angle, that is, by example, if rotation of 20 degree, it may be plus 20 or minus 20. Let's see what kind of question is asked. Write a note on enantiomers. It will get 2 marks. The stereoisomers which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other and rotate the plane of PPL by same angle but in opposite direction. As we see. Here we take this different example, lactic acid. Lactic acid also contains a chiral center in which there are 2 mirror images which are non-superimposable. If the first isomer is dextrorotatory, then the second is levorotatory. If it is rotated by plus 20 angle, it will rotate by minus 20 angle. That means both are optically active, can rotate the plane of PPL by some angle, but enantiomers show same angle but in opposite direction, that is with +1 and -1. Enantiomers are also known as enantiomorphs. Enantiomers show physical property. These both two structures will show physical property same. That is, it shows melting and boiling point same, its density same, its optical activity is different. It is exceptional property. Melting point, boiling point, density, dielectric constant, electric constant are same, but optical activity is different. First isomer and second isomer similarly show chemical property same. It reacts with same molecule similarly, but they react with differently with optically active reagent. For that, short note, this will get 1 mark. Example and explanation will half and half. Then another part of this point is definition of 2 points, that is racemic mixture and chirality. Racemic mixture is an optically inactive mixture. Optically inactive mixture, that means it does not rotate the plane of PPL, plane polarized light, cannot be rotated by this molecule. This is a mixture prepared by equimolar quantity of dextro and leo isomer of same molecule. That means consider lactic acid of first isomer and lactic acid second isomer taken in similar quantity and mixed them. Their rotation will get cancelled by external compensation due to +20 and -20, and the resultant mixture is optically inactive. Hence, it is an equimolar mixture of dextro and leo isomers of same molecule which are optically inactive. It is indicated by symbol Dl or +-. Another point is definition chirality. Chirality is a point property of an object to produce non-superimposable mirror image is called chirality. See, this is a pen. The mirror image of this pen is similar. That means it is a chiral. If this pen is placed in such a way, then its mirror image will be non-superimposable. So, this object in horizontal direction is chiral. Similarly, any object can produce non-superimposable images is chirality. Okay, this is all about stereochemical aspect of organic chemistry molecules. Tomorrow we will see some chemical properties of haloalkanes.